டேய் அவன் செத்துட்டான்டா.
So hello guys, welcome back to AJAK Cybersecurity. Illa ஒரு சின்ன mistake. AJAK Cyber Academy. So we have just upgraded from AJAK Cybersecurity to AJAK Cyber Academy. Okay, so என்னடா ஒரு last 3 months ஆளே காணோம், எங்கடா போன, where were you அப்படின்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு இருந்து. Like last 3 months there were like no videos in our channel. Okay, so reason is so simple. I was attending an internship. So it was a DFIR consultant, junior DFIR consultant with Craven Forensics team. அதுக்கு ஒரு separate video I'll just post it. But இந்த ஒரு வீடியோவில் வந்துட்டு AJAK Cyber Academy ஓட நம்மளோட great launch. So officially 31st Jan we just registered our organization successfully and website launch வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I'm making it today. Like last 3 months I've just worked on it. என்ன பண்ணணும் ஒரு லாங் டேர்மில் யோசிச்சு வச்சு பண்ணது தான் இந்த AJAK Cyber Academy. Okay, so in the AJAK Cyber Academy what are the services we provide, what you will get benefited from this அப்படின்றத பார்ப்போம். So AJAK Cyber Academy in one line, it's an e-learning cybersecurity platform. So idhula vandu I'll be teaching videos live. I'll be teaching cybersecurity live. Pre-recorded videos irukum. So initially it will be online, but gradually it will move from online to offline. So adu vandu future plans la vechirukken. And monthly vandu pathina we'll be having some seminars, and idu illama vandu pathina daily I'll be just posting POC videos for you guys so that it will be very easy to do bug bounty journey. So most of my viewers are like bug bounty, so I'll just post bug bounty videos. Okay, and then the next thing is I also provide corporate trainings and also university trainings for faculties and also for students. So that will be our services, and if you are interested you can just apply for internship with us. We are providing internship based on months you guys are interested, 1 month, 3 months, whatever it may be. And we also provide one-on-one cyber consultant, guys. Okay, so these are the services, and and people who register today on this opening day, you will get my initial paid blogging course for free. All you just need to do is register in the website. So upon completing a paid course you'll be getting a certification, but not for free courses. Okay, so finally guys, one kind request is not to just test any of our website, guys. Okay, so the thing is if any illegal things happens, then we have just clearly mentioned in the terms of conditions that you will be escalated to further law enforcement. I just want to give this as a sweet message for you guys. Okay, please don't test it. And another thing is I'm the only guy who is working fully from starting to end. So if you guys are doing something fishy, whatever it may be, it will be affecting me personally and my journey and my growth. So I recommend not to do that, guys. Okay, thank you so much. So let's get started. So all you just need to do right now is to type this exact URL, or else just type AJAK Cyber Academy. Okay guys, so once நீங்க AJAK Cyber Academy அப்படின்னு enter பண்ணோன்னா your website will look like this. Our website will look like this. So this will be the courses in front of you. So most of the courses are free over here. Right now I got the paid courses as the blogging. So we got both in English and Tamil. The beauty of this e-learning platform will be I'll be releasing course both in English separately and Tamil separately for each and every course. So that is the beauty. So right now we got like 7 courses with us. Okay, so by the time you see it will be like 7 courses, and if you want to just categorize your courses, you could see the free courses. So you can just see all the free courses, but if you want any paid courses, so you can just come here and go for the paid courses. But people who just register for today, I'll be just enrolling you guys in this specific course manually, guys. Okay, all you just need to do is come and register as a student right over here. Okay, so once you click on any course, you can just watch the course intro, okay, for the paid courses, and you will be getting the description of the whole full courses, what you will be just learning in this course, what will be the outcome. Okay, it is almost like similar to Udemy, guys. Okay, perfect. So the materials included over here, the requirements, the audience, okay, and the most important thing is you will be getting a certificate like this, guys. Okay, so if you want to purchase any courses later, you just need to give an add-on basket, and you can just purchase through GPay or PhonePe, whatever it may be, or else your any banking platform. If you guys are an international student, I've integrated PayPal platform for you, so you can just come and just pay through PayPal. Okay, So if you guys want any internships, all you just need to do is come and register a form over here. So once you do that, we'll just verify and we'll just ping you out. Okay guys, so website is very simple. It will be very user friendly, guys, and I recommend you guys to come and watch all the courses via laptop or else your desktop, guys. Okay, so it won't be good if you just watch it in a phone. I mean, it is just perfectly aligned, but still you will be facing some catch issues, guys. Okay, so that's the thing. And no refund policy, guys. Okay, so in our specific e-learning platform, there will be no refund policy once you just purchase the course. Okay, perfect. And you guys, you can just follow me in LinkedIn. Okay, so we have just set up the LinkedIn page for us. Daily we'll be just updating POCs, blog, and I recommend you guys to just come and visit our X Twitter platform also. So here also we'll be just posting all the tips and tricks, everything related to cybersecurity, guys. Okay, perfect. Okay guys, so இந்த வீடியோல வந்துட்டு இவ்வளவுதான். And if you guys are interested, உங்களுக்கு என்ன கோர்ஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்றத சொல்லுங்க. And இந்த month வந்துட்டு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, March month வந்துட்டு பாத்தீங்கன்னா I'll be releasing networking course especially for ethical hackers. It will be a paid one, so that will be the thing. And அதுக்கு அடுத்து உங்களுக்கு எந்த கோர்ஸ் வேணுமோ just leave it in a comment section, so I'll just make the video, I'll just make a full course on the place. Okay, and again last guys, in the e-learning platform everything will be as a course. So from each and every investigation, right from blue team, red team, penetration testing, bug bounty, malware analysis, OSINT investigation, whatever it may be, with or real case oda, I mean real case instance or case scenario oda, I'll be explaining you guys very practically. So it is all about practical, and இதுதான் வந்துட்டு என்னோட இந்த ஒரு next journey இருக்க போகுது. So keep supporting, and all you just need to do is come and register in AJAK Cyber Academy today, and you will be getting our paid courses for free, guys, so which will be medium for blogging. So thank you so much. Katra vaipam, learn every day, happy hacking. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much.